Morning guys, welcome to vlog number 36. I'm on my way to Taj Rishikesh. Left about an hour back. I've got another 4.5 hours to go. I'm driving solo today. Taranum's not here. Taranum's at work. She's going to take a flight in the evening to Dehradun, and from Dehradun she's going to come to Taj Resort in Rishikesh and join me. So we are off for the weekend. We haven't travelled at all in 24. This is going to be our first journey. Been busy with work and school, board exams and stuff. But now it all begins. So just an update. I've been driving for almost 4.5 hours now, and since the past 45 minutes I'm crossing Rishikesh. What a terrible traffic jam! And I think 10,000 weddings going on at the same time. It's crazy. Journey's been so good, the road's been nice, everything's been nice, but just crossing Rishikesh, there's no bypass, so you have to go through Rishikesh. The traffic is pathetic, we're bumper to bumper, neck to neck traffic. Since last 45 minutes and they're showing another 20 minutes is going to be like this. Anyway, the better half is calling, I'll take that call. Hey Taranum, you're on camera.
I'm on camera?
Yeah, I was just recording a bit for the journey. I just switched on the camera and you called, so your voice is being recorded. How are you, my darling?
I'm good, my love.
I will not put this though. I ain't gonna put this in the vlog. Yeah, I'm going through such shitty traffic right now, crossing Rishikesh for the past 1 hour. Otherwise the journey's been okay. It's showing another 30-35 minutes to get there. But last 45 minutes
will
we've been...
there in 35 minutes? That's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yeah, we'll be there in 35 minutes.
That's really cool. Good. Enjoy yourself.
Alright, okay.
Okay.
So it's 7 p.m. Taranum has just come. I'm going to give the room tour now. Been waiting for her. It's 7 p.m. in the evening.
Hello, welcome.
Hey Taranum,
Hi.
how was the journey?
Oh, it was a bit strenuous but nice.
Yeah.
It took me about 2 hours from the airport in Dehradun to here.
The flight was comfortable?
Very comfortable.
The seats
thanks
were
to my
okay?
husband. Thank you. I'm good. So as you can see, this is the room, and I'm not very good at it. So I'm gonna you take over.
No.
No. You take
It's a small room. We've been upgraded, but Taj Rishikesh has rooms which are smaller in size, but they call them a villa. So they're supposed to be a premium villa, but it's just a room. Standard rooms are even smaller. And, typical bathroom, shower, throne, and the rest. And Taranum. So anyway, it's dark right now inside, so we can't see much.
Yeah.
We're going to do a tour of the property tomorrow in daylight, but this is what it is. Good morning, guys. We have just woken up. Bright sunny day. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and Tarun is coming out of the room. We are heading for breakfast. So Tarun is back with the lamba danda.
I'll sit here.
Sit. Namaskar ji. So Tarun is holding the lamba danda again. And we order? हाँ जी, जो all day dining है जी, breakfast के लिए जी, thank you. So I guess you can see the river Ganga now, Ganga. So they have these little sit-outs everywhere, at every corner, which I think is really nice. What's that, you know? Just to get the board in. So that's the main lobby, and right in front of us is the all-day dining restaurant, basically the coffee shop where we're going to have breakfast right now. You're on camera.
Looking forward to the breakfast with a view of mountains and greenery, and it's like all senses put together.
Yeah, so we're at the coffee shop now. This is the open veranda balcony outside. The weather is really nice and crisp right now.
It's really nice. It's neither too cold nor too hot.
No. So So we're done with breakfast and we're now walking down to the room. That's the porch behind me and the main lobby. And I'm going to show Tarunam's got the 360 in her hand. So we're going to walk back. Let me just flip the camera around so you guys can see what the property looks like. Setup I was talking about, I don't know if you can see it in the frame, they've got these little mini sit-outs everywhere. And just park yourself here and watch that view. That is magnificent. Yeah, so of course it's a pricey property because the USP is the location of the property. I think it's one of the best situated
And I'm
properties
really
this
looking
side
forward
of,
to the Aarti today in the evening.
yeah, which will be at 6. We'll probably go for that and cover that also. So that's the entire property right on top of the hill. All these are villas. It's like a big block with 2-3 villas in each block. They've got the major luxury ones also, which is a standalone villa with the pool. I think there's only one of them. Tarunam's here. Tarunam, how was the treatment?
Fantastic. I'm so rejuvenated and so relaxed. I've got oil in my hair, but I don't care.
Yeah, you have to take this. I think if you go to the restaurant. So, restaurant?
the restaurant?
Pebble Beach restaurant. Is there a is there a-
Oh, I know where it is.
Iधर से रास्ते ही से. यहीं से. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I've been to Pebble Street. Oh, sorry, not Pebble Street, Pebble Beach.
So that Pebble restaurant is apparently next to the pool. How are you, Akshay ji? Very well, ji. आज सोचे थे यहाँ हुआ है. This is only open for lunch, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So we just finished our lunch at the Pebble Beach restaurant. It's basically a pizzeria, so you can get pizzas there and salads. And we're going down to the riverside. Akshay ji.
Namaste everyone. I am Akshay. I am working with this hotel since last 5 years. It's a very beautiful place to come across. If you talk about this place, you see the pathway going that side of the river. That's the pathway which is said to be the pathway from where people used to walk across to Badrinath Ji, Kedarnath Ji by walking. They used to travel across, and there is a place also known as Bandar Chitti, where that place is called Chitti because Chitti refers to the term where we just spread the mats and just to rest. So that's the place to rest, and that was the place to live.
Just come back to the room. Yesterday when we did a room tour at night, I couldn't show you the view from the room. So I'm on the balcony now, and view from the room. You can see Ganga ji right in front. The range, it's absolutely wonderful and beautiful. Hey guys, so Tanu and I are going back to the Pebble Beach now. It's almost 6 in the evening, and this is Aarti time. So they're going to do Aarti now. Good morning guys, this is our last day. We are checking out now, just leaving the room for the lobby, and we thought we'd just say a final goodbye to the property from here, and we'll close the video once we're in the car. What do you think, Tarunam? How was it?
I think the stay was so rejuvenating and relaxing. Very nice. I loved it.
Alright, see you guys in a bit. So we're going, entering the lobby now. We're gonna check out, I don't know if I've shown the lobby before, so I'm just gonna flip the camera so you guys can see what it looks like. It's a very pretty lobby though. Hi Deshi. Just so that's Hiteshi. Hiteshi's been very kind. He's helped us throughout the hospitality. I hadn't shown the lobby, so I'm just gonna take a quick 2-second tour. We've got some guests sitting there. That's a view you get from the lobby. Just gonna check out. We're leaving now. Hey guys, so we've checked out. We're in the car now. I'm not driving solo. I've got Taranum with me. We've just left the property. It's 1:45 and we should be in Delhi by about 7:30 in the evening. Great stay, super property. This was our first trip to Rishikesh. So, for us, this is the best. But people who've been to Rishikesh, if you've been to Taj, fair enough. For those who haven't been, it's a must-visit place. The scenery, everything, it's wonderful. Service, hospitality, the works, all good. So, anything, Taranum?
Yeah, I say the same thing. It was fantastic stay. I loved being surrounded by mountains and water body, and the food, and just the staff is so courteous, and you feel on top of luxury, and it was really rejuvenating. And the spa was beautiful. I was so relaxed, and the meditation was nice. It was actually it's a wellness hotel, so I really liked that. The food was non-oily.
Food had a lot of healthy options.
The pizzas were made of millet base.
It was very organic on the food.
Everything was very nice. I felt on top of the world. I feel really nice right now.
So that's it, guys. Signing out now. No point making more videos on the way. It's the same route, same road. But we'll catch you in our next trip. I don't think I'm going to be riding my bikes this month till the end of the month, because there are more travel plans coming up next week onwards. So we'll join you again, and we'll catch you guys again on our further journey. Okay.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.